Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to meet billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk during his visit to Washington, D.C., making a high-stakes discussion on technology, business, and India's economic future. This meeting, scheduled at the White House on Thursday, comes at a time when Musk has risen to become a key ally and advisor to US President Donald Trump, even spearheading the newly formed Department of Government of Efficiency. Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has long expressed interest in India's booming market, particularly in expanding Tesla's footprint and bringing Starlink's satellite internet services to the country. However, recent policy shifts and his evolving political affiliations have added layers of intrigue to his engagement with India. The conversation between Modi and Musk is expected to touch upon several crucial areas. Number 1. Tesla's entry into India. The long-anticipated launch of Tesla's affordable EV models in India remains a hot topic. However, with shifting global supply chains and regulatory hurdles, Musk's commitment to an Indian gigafactory is still in question. Starlink expansion. With India's push for digital inclusion in rural areas, Musk's satellite internet venture, Starlink, could play a major role in transforming connectivity across the country. Artificial intelligence and innovation. As AI regulations become a global debate, Modi and Musk might discuss India's role in shaping AI policies and potential collaborations in the future. Bureaucratic reforms and investment climate. Musk's new role in optimizing government efficiency aligns with Modi's ease of doing business agenda, setting the stage for deeper engagement on regulatory improvements. With India emerging as a global tech and manufacturing hub, this meeting could redefine business ties between the world's largest democracy and one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time.